Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein fudge. First, gather your core ingredients. About 1/2 cup of protein powder, 1/4 cup of a creamy nut butter, and 2 tablespoons of a liquid sweetener like maple syrup or honey. You'll also need a splash of milk or water to achieve the right consistency. Now let's mix. In a bowl, combine your protein powder. Then, add the nut butter and liquid sweetener. Begin mixing these together. Slowly add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or water, a little at a time, until the mixture comes together into a thick, pliable dough. It should be firm enough to handle. Once mixed, press the fudge mixture evenly into a small, parchment-lined pan, about 4 by 4 inches. Use the back of a spoon or your hands to compact it firmly. Place the pan in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until it's completely firm. Feel free to stir in 1/4 cup of chocolate chips or 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. After chilling, remove the fudge from the pan and cut it into desired pieces, typically 1-inch squares. Store your delicious protein fudge in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. It's a fantastic, guilt-free treat that helps you meet your protein goals throughout the day. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.